Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting and super useful tutorial for all you Safari users out there. If you've ever wondered how to add the Turn Off the Lights Safari extension icon to your web browser toolbar, you're in the right place. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll be able to enhance your browsing experience like a pro. First things first, make sure you have Safari open. If you don't already have the Turn Off the Lights extension installed, head over to the App Store to grab it. Don't worry, I've added the link in the description below for your convenience. If you don't see the lamp button or want to change its position, right-click on the gray toolbar and choose the menu item, Customize Toolbar. A new panel will drop down, showing all the buttons you can add. Now, click and drag the Turn Off the Lights lamp icon to the left side of the address bar. When you are done, click on the Done button. It is that simple and easy. You're now ready to elevate your browsing experience with a single click. And there you have it, folks. Adding the Turn Off the Lights Safari extension icon to your toolbar is a piece of cake, and it opens up a whole new world of immersive browsing. Now, you can enjoy your favorite videos and web content without any distractions. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful content like this. As always, feel free to leave any questions or comments down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.